Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to GISWorld channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to configure datapoltly plugin in QGIS, how to do chart visualization like pie chart, bar plot, histogram in QGIS, how to code in Expression Dialog in QGIS, and how at the end convert the charts into PNG or saving as a HTML in QGIS. So let's start. So we will start with the same data what we have shown you in the previous tutorial. So first of all, you must come to the plugin, and after that in the datapoltly plugin, and you know how to install the datapoltly plugin into your machine. And if you forget that, please go to the video part 3. So by clicking in the datapoltly, you see this plugin, and first part is the plot type, and you can choose the different type of charts like a pie chart, histogram, bar plot, box plot, and so on. But we will start with the pie chart, and after that is the plot parameter. The first parameter is the layer from which the data will be taken for making the chart, and here we just choose the building, and it can be the different layers such as a land parcel. And after that, you have this possibility to use only selected feature or use only visible feature. And the second parameter is a feature subset. Filtering of the data can be made in this part if we want to consider only, for example, the building inside the specific area. And the third one is the grouping field, which is like a X value. Feature with the same value in the grouping fields are assigned to be to the same pie segment. And after that is the Y field, in which the plugin will automatically calculate how many feature in each category and make automatic percentage. And after that is the properties. You can define the legend title here, and after that marker color and stroke color. So let's continue. So if I go to the building attribute table, you see right now we have the building, which is the usage of each building, and we have the different apartment, garage, house, and we have another column which is the count, and you see for each is 1. And if you would like to create it, you can just create a one column with the count, and after that writing just 1, and it will be assigned to all. So we would like to consider the building as a X value, grouping field, and the count as a Y value. So let's show you how to do this assigning. So if you open again the datapoltly plugin, so I'm starting for configuring the grouping field, which is the X value. So for saving the time, I already wrote an expression, and you see this expression, because this expression help you to see how the number of the in the buildings column, the number of the different usage. For example, how many buildings with the apartment type or garage type you have, and you see this in the preview not clear is the 134, and for the others. But let's just explain to you some short explanation about the concat. If you come to the string, you see here concat is here, concatenates several string to the one, and after that we have the sum. And if you come to the aggregate, you see the definition of the sum, and some sample of that returns the aggregate sum value from field or expression. And after that it will be the group byte according to the buildings column. So let's continue. So we have right now, and by default the legend title will get from this grouping field, and after that you can change it. And in the Y field, so we will just define, you have the option to choose your column, and we will use the count. So, and if I just change the legend title to the pie chart, for example, and it will be okay. The marker color, let's keep the default color. And if I come here, plot title, so let's define pie or chart sample. Okay, and you can define some other information here, like a different font for different label or ticks. So, and if I come again, so it seems everything okay. And type of the plot, you can define different single plot or subplots. So, and if I just do the create plots, hopefully we will get the plots. So right now you see we have the pie chart, and if you see right now we have the number of the house, we have more than 700 and it's around 63 percent, and you see the different one. And if it's very small, the plot will be shown like this 1% or less than 1%, and you can see the different categories, different kind of the types or usage for the from the building column. And you see right now here the chart sample which is defined as a title. And here with this icon you have this possibility to save your data as a HTML, or saving here your data as a PNG. So, and after that you can use such images or PNG into your report. So let's continue with another plot type, like a histogram or bar plot. So let's start with the bar plot. We have the same information, and let's start. And but here maybe we can change the legend title to the bar plot, and after that it seems but we have some option like a label text position or bar orientation. You can define vertical or horizontal, and here if you come here we have some layout option, and you can change it according to your need. But here clean plot canvas, so we will clean the previous one which was the pie chart. And after that, if you go again to the create the plot, you see here the bar chart. So it seems, for example, here in the garage it's according to the number counts 100 to up to 700, and it will be the result. And after that you have this possibility here to zoom in, or some here box select, and for example if you need just a part of this chart into your report, and again the option to export as a HTML or as a PNG. So let's do the last plot type, which is the histogram, to check that. So we have the same information again, and we can define the legend title, and after that here plot title, for example histogram, and same like before. But do not forget to clean the plot canvas, because to clean the bar plot. And after that, if you come here, you can again create the plot, and you see the histogram. I hope you enjoy from this video, and please like and put the question as a comment in the video, and we will answer the question as soon as possible. For following the video in the future, please subscribe our channel and share with your community and network. So thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.